Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Amadur Rahman. Class, for the month of Feb, we are going to start chapter number 8, the HTML and the languages of web pages. In this chapter, we will learn what is HTML, what kind of language is this, and how we can use it and why it is used. In the last chapter, I told you about the internet, and I told you that internet is a global network, and we use internet to communicate with millions of people. And I told you about many features of internet, and I told you about www, World Wide Web. I told you that World Wide Web is a feature of internet where we find the answer of everything. World Wide Web is the collection of billions of websites. Like for a single question, there are billions of websites that give the answer of that question. And I also told you about the website is a collection of multiple web pages. We can add two or more than two web pages in a single website. The developer of website add multiple web pages in a website, and there are a lot of internet servers that is used by millions of website developers who give the storage facility to us. अच्छा, वेबसाइट जो बनाई जाती है वो मल्टीपल वेब पेजेस से बनाई जाती है, एंड वेब पेजेस आर टेक्स्ट डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैविंग HTML कमांड्स. जिस तरह हम GW बेसिक में हम प्रोग्राम क्रिएट करते थे और उसके अंदर उसके कीवर्ड्स, उसके सिंटैक्स के मुताबिक कमांडिंग वर्ड्स होते थे, वी यूज़ HTML कमांड्स जो कि डिफरेंट है, बॉडी, टाइटल और डिवीजन, इस तरह के डिफरेंट कमांड्स हैं जो हम HTML के पेजेस बनाने में यूज़ करते हैं. And the names of these documents have HTML, .html or .html extensions. अच्छा, what is HTML? HTML जो है वो शॉर्ट फॉर्म है हाइपर टेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज की. हाइपर टेक्स्ट मीन्स यू कैन सी in every website you can see there are multiple hypertext. By just clicking on that things, you can go to the next or the edit pages of that website. Like you click on home button of the website and you go to that home button. When you click on about or contact us page icon, you go directly to that page. So this is called hypertext that we can add in HTML scripting. And what is markup means? Markup means like for starting that text page or add the special tags, and like adding the complete text to make a complete web page. Language means like every language has different kind of characters and different kind of rules to just write or make a statement of that language. This is how HTML has also. HTML files में क्या क्या हो सकता है? You can add videos, you can add text, you can add paragraphs, you can add different kind of pictures, you can add different kind of links, even you can add different kind of websites to that in this language. What is the feature of, here are the different tags that we can use. अच्छा, फीचर्स क्या हैं इसके, व्हाट आर द फीचर्स ऑफ HTML. HTML is a scripting language, so it is different from the programming language, and you can use different kind of platforms to access it, to view it. We can access HTML document on every kind of computer. We can link documents, or we can link any other websites also, and we can download, we can view HTML document on different kind of browsers also. So class, this is what we had for today's class. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.